In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a t-shirt mockup just like this in Photopea. So you can put your own design onto a t-shirt mockup all for free inside of Photopea. So I've just completed all the steps, and at the end of the video, if you follow them, you'll be able to get your design on a t-shirt. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to Photopea. So if you go to photopea.com, it is an online photo editing software that you can use to edit PSD files. And that's going to be important because we're going to choose a PSD mockup file. Now what you're going to need first is you're going to need a PSD mockup. Now other tutorials recommend that you get an image of a t-shirt and then manually add your logo or your design, and that's not what I would recommend. What I would recommend is if you go ahead and search for t-shirt mockup for free, there are going to be many mockups that you can use which are professional, and you can put your design or logo straight on these mockups. So you can use any of these for free. So notice how we've got free PSD t-shirt filter enabled, and we can go ahead and choose any of these. So just to show you as an example, I will use this one here, which if you were to add your logo manually, it would be really hard. But if you just follow these steps, we can get our logo on here, no problem. So let's click on this and we can go ahead and download this for free. So if you scroll down, a lot of these are going to have a free download. So click free download and it will then take you to a download link. Every page is going to be different. So just find the download page and click download. We are going to need to quickly register. So I'll just do that and I'll download this mockup. Okay, so now we've got the mockup downloaded. I'm just going to extract it to my desktop. So I'll just copy it here and we'll put it on my desktop. Now the difference between one of these mockups and just like a standard image is it's very easy to get your logo on the mockup. It does all of the hard work for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to extract these files. So I'll just extract this file to my desktop. So I hope you're all following along here. We've just downloaded a mockup file for free off the internet. We can then get this free PSD and we can open this PSD file, which is a Photoshop file in Photopea. So we will open Photopea, we'll open from the computer, and we will go ahead and open this free PSD t-shirt mockup file. So every design is going to be a little bit different. You're going to need to replace a specific layer with your design. Now, if it isn't the first one, you just need to go ahead and have a look how it's grouped. So here we will just ungroup this one, and you can see we've got a layer here which says your image here. So go ahead and double click on this rectangle and it will take you to a separate design where you can go ahead and just add in your own logo. So we're going to click on their design on the layers. We're going to click delete and remove it. Now what we can do is we can import our own image. So I'm going to go file, open and place. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to the desktop and use this here that I've created. So this is going to be my logo or my design, which I'm going to put on a t-shirt. Now, if I wanted to, I could remove the background with this magic wand tool here. So if we click on it, should then select everything. Once we've selected everything, we can click delete. And there you go. It's now deleted all of the background. So now all that's left to do is to save this. So go file, save. And look how good this is, right? So we've saved our design. Now when we go back, you can see our design is on this t-shirt and it is in the perfect place. Now a lot of these mockups are going to have lighting effects that you can customize and change if the lighting is a little bit off. You can see on this one as well, we have a change t-shirt color layer, which if we double click, we can change the t-shirt color. So let's try, I guess a black wouldn't work because we have black text. So I'll just try and change it here to a pinkish color. So that's pretty much how to create your mockup. Then go to file, save or export as PNG, and then you can export your mockup as a PNG. By doing it this way, it means you're not going to have to resize or manually twist your design to match it perfectly. It's going to just be perfect as it is. So that's how to do it. I hope that did help you out.